Experience the vibrant transformation of this unique philodendron. Watch as its distinct orange leaves unfurl, turning to a rich green over several months.
Today, we're watering our Prince of Orange. First, make sure the top 2 inches are completely dry. Pour water evenly until it drains from the bottom. This keeps your tropical plants thriving.
To thrive, aroid roots require a perfect balance. This chunky mix provides essential oxygen. Watch as root hairs absorb moisture and vital nutrients.